Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you aren't using Amazon Music Unlimited as much anymore, or maybe you switched to another music streaming app. Either way, canceling Amazon Music Unlimited is fast and simple. You will still keep access until the end of your billing period. So it is exactly how to cancel it in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to open the Amazon app or visit amazon.com. We're gonna go ahead and tap on this link, then go all the way and log in using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go on this menu, then go all the way to look for memberships and subscriptions. After this, go and select the Amazon Music Unlimited, then tap cancel subscription. After this, you can go ahead and confirm the cancellation. If you want to look for more options about Prime, just tap on account, then go into this Prime, manage your membership and all of this. Since Amazon Music with Prime is one of the Prime benefits, so let's say if you want to cancel the Prime membership, just go here and tap on cancel the membership. As for some additional pro tips, your music access continues until the billing cycle ends. Amazon may offer a discount or pause option. Family plans cancel for all members. You should also double check you cancel the right plan if you have multiple. And that's it basically. Amazon Music Unlimited is officially cancelled. No more monthly charges and no hidden settings left behind. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.